me, Allegra. I'm hopping on today with a huge makeup subscription box unboxing 2023. This is for the Ipsy June box. Now in here today, I do get the creator box. So they were good enough to send me, and this is gifted by Ipsy. I got the Ipsy Glam Bag, I believe, and is this the BoxyCharm goodies? Because they have teamed up with BoxyCharm, so there is BoxyCharm goodies to be had, I believe, Ipsy Glam Bag, and we'll see though, we'll see what happens, guys. But this is a box dedicated to getting out into the world and discovering yourself. The world is our playground, so let's go out and have fun and enjoy ourselves. That is this month's theme. So ready, set, play. That is what they're talking about. So let's go ahead and dive right in. I guess we'll open this bag first. This is probably the Ipsy Glam Bag, so I'm so excited to see exactly what we got. And let's go ahead. Oh, you guys, look at that. I love the mesh design to it, this beautiful netting. It is very soft to the touch, and these beautiful festive summer fluorescent colors. What is better than that? I love this. Oh, and it says love on the hang tag, on the pull tab here. So let's go ahead and see, you guys. Oh my goodness, look at that. This looks good. This looks really good. Have you guys gotten your Ipsy box yet? Let me know down below what you're loving from yours. But the first thing I just reached in for here is this. It looks like a double-sided liner, and let me see here. I can't even find the name or anything. It's Formula Z, maybe? Is that what this is? One side looks like a kohl liner, and then maybe one side is a shimmer kind of kohl liner. Let's see here. So, okay. Yeah, it looks like, yeah, one side is shimmery, and one side is your traditional kohl liner in a chocolatey, beautiful chocolatey brown shade. So wow, I wish, you know, I would love to try this right now, because I'm obsessed with liner now. And you know, this is so awesome because you could probably do like a little wing liner with the matte side like that. Oh, it's so creamy, you guys. Wow. Oh, this is beautiful. So you can do one side, and then what I'm going to do is I'm going to use the shimmer side on my lower lash line. So let me go ahead and just see how this buffs out. But it's so creamy and so smooth. Wow, I actually would definitely be interested in, if this ran out, I would definitely want to repurchase this just from my initial impressions, because it's so creamy. The shade is so beautiful. So many liners kind of tug on my eye, and they're just not creamy. But look at that. Look how it was able to blend out into a beautiful smoky effect. So it blends beautifully if you want. So this is great for this kind of look, this sultry, smoky, bronze, smoky eye kind of look. If you want to do that look, of course, you could probably tight line with this as well. Let me go ahead and try that, because I do love, yes, beautiful and so nice on your skin. It just feels like a dream. It's just not dry whatsoever. So it's definitely super creamy. And I just want to try the shimmer side, and I'll just pop that down in here. Yes, this is beautiful. You could probably put this all over your lid as well and make a base for your eyeshadow with this, or the other one, depending what kind of look you want. So, oh my goodness, I love this. You know, eyeliner does not get the love it deserves. I think, like, most people just, I used to think that kind of like all eyeliners are the same, but they're really not, because a lot of them won't blend out, a lot of them don't stay put, a lot of them just don't have this beautiful color to it. So wow, I gotta investigate more what exactly this is, because is it called Formula? I believe it's called Formula Z. So because this, I would definitely want to buy this, because this is really nice. I would love to come back and use the shimmer side all over, and then put your shadow on top, or leave it on its own. That would be a gorgeous look. I definitely want to come back and try that out with you, beauties. So did you guys get that in your Ipsy Glam Bag? Let me know down below. And then here is, let's see here. Oh, Oh my goodness, I had this and I love this. This is the Philosophy Micro Delivery. This is a exfoliating face wash, daily face wash that exfoliates your skin. So, oh my goodness, I used to love Philosophy skincare. I used to just buy it on repeat. What was that one, Miracle? There's kind of a miracle cream and I loved that. I used to wear that all the time. I'm like, I should buy that again because I used to love that. I wonder why I haven't purchased it in a while because that was really like my #1 jam. What is it called? Miracle? I gotta look it up, you guys. But and then Philosophy the shower, the body washes. Oh my goodness, don't they smell incredible? And they leave your skin so smooth. So I do remember, and your skin feels so soft when you use the body wash from Philosophy. But I do remember using an exfoliating wash or treatment from Philosophy. So I'm not sure if this was it, but I cannot wait to try this out and I'll get back to you, beauties. But I know that I loved my other exfoliators, the wash, everything that I've used from Philosophy Skincare, I loved. So I definitely want to get back. I'm going to try that out and then we're going to probably purchase that Miracle. What was that? It was Hope in a Jar, but I could have sworn there was the word miracle. Anyhow, let's, oh guys, look at this. Juicy Couture Roseland. This is a Peony Blossom Rose Petal and Sparkling Melon. Oh, soy candle. Oh my goodness. I had, oh, this smells so good. I had a candle from Juicy before and it smelled incredible, but it wasn't this one. And I love the pink packaging and the pink color. So, wow. It smells incredible. Wow, I love this. This is so cute. What do you guys, did you guys get this? Again, I did have a Juicy candle before and it smelled so good and it burned beautifully. So that is just, I wasn't this one though. I don't remember what fragrance it was, but this is called Rosé Land. So how awesome is that? I definitely can't wait to light that one up. And then here is the Marc Anthony Repair Bond leave-in treatment. So can't wait to try that. I love Marc Anthony hair care. And then here is, let's see, it looks like a lippy Sugar Daddy Rose Gloss. Sugar Daddy. Okay, so cute. I gotta try this out and I'll be back. I can't wait. But let's go ahead now and get into, now this is either gonna be the Glam Bag X or this is BoxyCharm goodies, but let me go ahead and grab it. So here it is, you guys, the Big Daddy. Now I got the word daddy stuck in my head. Okay, let's see what's in here. Now this is usually where the full-size products are and things like that. So, oh my goodness, I see some good stuff already. You guys, look at that. Can you believe it? Wow. Because who doesn't love Il Makiage? And there's something from Il Makiage in here. Let's see what it is. It's the Color Boss Squad Multi-Dimensional Eye Palette. Oh my goodness. I used to have an Il Makiage palette and I loved it. Actually, I hit pan on it. And look at the packaging. They just do everything. Just stunning. Stunning, stunning, stunning. It's just feels, ooh, look at that. Beautiful, cool tone shades. So I hope you guys can see that. I will definitely be back so we can play with this. But Il Makiage makes some amazing products. I know their foundation was amazing. I have their brushes. I love them. And so that is called the Call the Shots palette. So can't wait to play with that. And then here is, look how cute this is. Half Caked Double Zipper Color Duo. And let's see what this is all about. Love the packaging. Who doesn't love, I personally love anything pink. And look at how cute, you guys. Wow. So, ooh, oh, look at how pretty that is. Oh my goodness. That is really beautiful. Beautiful blush and pink tone, rose tone blush. And then the golden shimmer highlight. Wow. So that looks stunning. Can't wait to play with that. We'll be again, I will be back and we'll try a lot of these things out. And then here is, let's see here, Tres Luce Beauty. I'm not sure what this is. Empower Me Matte Lipstick Bullet. Nudie pink. Oh, they know it. Basically almost everybody wants a good nudie pink, right? Oh, another one with beautiful packaging that I've never seen before. Wow. Oh, that is a beautiful color. Wow. And it has a T on it. I love that. Oh my goodness. It looks like the Tiffany tea. Nice. Oh, and this is like kind of, magnetic cap closure. Ooh, and the blue has like a metallicness to it. It's very unique. Very beautiful. Wow. I can't wait to try that. And then here is, let's see here, just a few more things. But here, oh, Origins. I love Origin skincare. Wow. This, oh my God, I have purchased this so many times. I used to purchase this all the time. This is the Origins Checks and Balances Face Wash. So this is a frothy face wash. And I know I used to use this all the time. Wow, that's amazing because this is like probably $40 alone. So, and these are all full-size products in here. So this is really good. This is great. This is really good. And then finally, beauties, here is the Mo Beauty Flawless Coverage Cosmetic Blender Duo. Love these colors too. These are so uplifting. And I had gotten a sponge in, I believe it was last month's box, and they said that it was going to stay clean and it was going to be like hypoallergenic. And I gotta tell you guys, I used it. I gotta find the name of it for you, but it did wash clean. It did stay. You know, it got the foundation on it, but when I washed it, it came out. There's no stains on it, and it was purple. So I'm really happy about that because it looks brand new. I hate when they start, when the makeup stains won't come out of it and they look gross, which so many times it's almost immediately after you use it and they don't come out. But the one that I used the other day, I'm gonna get the name of it for you because it's amazing. Because I used it again with my foundation, my liquid blushes, everything. I washed it and it came totally clean. So they were not joking because they said it would come clean, and it does. So I'm gonna get the name of that for you and I'll link it down below. But I can't wait to try these. Hopefully I'll have the same experience with these. But it doesn't say though that these are latex free. The other one that I'm speaking about specifically said it was hypoallergenic and it would not, you know, hold bacteria and it was going to come clean. So, and it did. They did it. So I'm gonna look again. I'll look that up and I'll have it linked down below. So that's everything that I got in my makeup subscription box unboxing today, beauties. Let me know what you think of this Ipsy box. Have you gotten anything lately in your Ipsy box that you're really loving? Let me know down below. And that's pretty much it. So I hope you beauties are all doing good. And thank you for spending time with me today. And I'll see you very soon. Bye.